Machiegni kendo jatend migawo mar somo Machogu osingoni piny owacho oketo maino margi e neno ni skunde ma pacho ka oyudo omenda e wang' saa mondo okony e chenro mag somo kik yud rochruok moro amora. Kolose kaunti ma Mombasa odiechieng' mar loro romo mar jotend skunde mag sekondar, Machogu owacho ni sekta mar somo oketne omenda maromo atamalo 30 mag bajet ma pacho ka e hik omenda ma higani kod higa manyien, kendo kwayo jotend skunde mondo tii kod pesano e yo makare, komedo lero ni sirkal nochiwo omenda mathoth ne tije mag skunde ma pacho ka.
Indeed, on the last week, we disbursed capitation of the various levels of basic education as follows: 2.7 billion to primary schools, 14 billion to junior schools, and 18.8 billion to secondary schools. This is in addition to the disbursement we made last term of 4.7 billion to primary schools, 15.1 billion to junior schools, and 32.4 billion to secondary schools. It is your statutory and moral duty to utilize these funds prudently and efficiently for the benefit of your institutions and runners.
We will be waiving all fees in our ECD schools, and the county government of Mombasa will now be fully financing the ECD learning for our students. If the food part was able to increase the number of students from 8 to 10, I believe that if we add more schools and if we are going to be able to ensure that we provide the capitation, then we're naturally going to be increasing the number of students even further.